Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how we can download Twitter in iPhone 6. You guys can check here if Twitter is not showing in your App Store. I will show you how we can download through App Store in a legal way. You don't need to install any third-party app or go to any third-party website. So I will just show you how we can download it. So simply just go to the App Store and just search for the Twitter. But firstly, let me show you this is my iPhone 6 model, and you guys can see here I have Twitter application in my App Store which is showing in search results. Just check out here, this is my iPhone 6 model and software version of my iPhone 6 is 12.5.3. so I will show you how we can download it. This trick will work in case of iPhone 6 Plus as well as in iPhone 5s. So firstly, if the Twitter is showing in your case in the search results, then well done. If this is not showing, then how we can download it? You guys can see here the basic question is why the Twitter is not downloading in iPhone 6, because it requires iOS 13.4 or later versions. So but iPhone 6 stuck with iOS 12, so how we can get the 13.4? So no need to get the 13.4. If Twitter is showing in the search results, then well done. If it's not showing, and if you have purchased the Twitter app before in your Apple ID, you will find the Twitter app here. Just go to the Apple ID section here and go to the purchase section. You will find here Twitter application. Just search here Twitter and you will find it on the way. And if you didn't find this Twitter application in your search results or in the purchase section, then what is the question, or then how we can download the Twitter app? So basically it's asking that your version is not supported, your version is not compatible. So we are going to download the Twitter app which is compatible with your iOS version, which means that the Twitter application which is compatible with iOS 12, that will be downloaded in our iPhone. So we just click on download it and it will start downloading. So then the second and the last question is, then if it's not showing in purchased as well as in the search results, then how we can download it? So we just requires any device which is currently running on iOS 13 or any device which is running on iOS 14. For example, the upper and the newer models of iPhones which is having same account signed in, which account is using or already used in our iPhone 6. For example, I'm using this Apple ID in my iPhone 6, so I just need to sign in my same Apple ID in my another iPhone which is having iOS 14 or later. Then I just need to download the Twitter app in the device which is running on iOS 14 app, 14.later, and now then after downloading, your Twitter app will available in the purchase section in the Apple ID, in that Apple ID which you have already purchased in the iOS 14 device. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. The whole thing is basically this one. So if you have find it in the search results, then well done. If it does not, you can use this method. So this is the simple fix. I hope you find this method helpful. Please guys, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you.